The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, came from the noble clan of Bani Hashim, a family known for honor, generosity, and leadership. Among his uncles were those who stood firmly with truth and others who stood fiercely against it. Foremost among them was Hazrat Abu Talib, عليه السلام, the father of Imam Ali, عليه السلام. He sheltered the Prophet, defended him from Quraysh, and raised him like his own son. Though he never proclaimed faith publicly due to the circumstances of his time, the Shia traditions affirm his heart was filled with Iman, and his poetry bears witness to his deep belief in Allah and his messenger. But not all uncles were allies. Abu Lahab, whose name is condemned in Surah Al-Masad, mocked and persecuted the Prophet ﷺ. His arrogance became a symbol of rejection and disbelief for generations to come. Others like Harith, Zubair, and Gidak remained distant or indifferent.